डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर ओपन युनिव्हर्सिटी.
Good afternoon, students. I welcome you all at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University, Jyotirmay Parishar. My name is Bijal Rawal, Assistant Professor Management, School of Commerce and Management Department. Today we are going to discuss on marketing, MBA Semester 2. Our unit number is 2, Marketing Mix and Environment. First, we just go through with our topic outline. Introduction, marketing mix, 7 P's of service marketing. We'll discuss. In our past lecture, we had already discussed about marketing mix, 4 P's of marketing, 4 C's of marketing. Marketing can be defined as any social and managerial process through which individual and group achieve what they need and want through creating, offering and exchanging product of value. These are two sides or a party in the system of marketing. One is buyer and one is seller. To get goods and services is the objectives of the market, while profit maximizations and ultimately wealth maximizations the objectives of the industries. To accomplish both parties by exchanging product or services. The communications from the industry side is known as the promotion. They can promote product and the information taken by the industry is usually in the form of feedback. By feedback, we have clear idea about the product, what customer wants and what customer think about our product or the services. If we come to know about the particular product from the feedback, we can create more strategy about that particular product and we have clear idea about it, how we can improve. The term marketing involves a wide range of concept. It involves every activities from the productions of the goods, their consumption, all takes in between such as design work, pricing, promotion, distributions, transport, warehousing, that all are marketing activities. Marketing mix. Good marketing or a distribution process demands spatial management focus, as production is meaningless if the goods are not sold. The marketing mix involves the process of designing, imagining different aspects of marketing to guarantee the success of the business and its goal. We can create strategy about that product, how we can compete other product in market, how we can easily survive in market, how we will decide our product price, how we can change customer perceptions about that particular product. Still we are using Parle-G while childhood. So everyone wants that type of product, affordable product, and they can easily trust. So that is more important. According to Philip Kotler, marketing mix is the set of controllable variable that the firm can use to influence the buyer's response The controllable variable in this context refer to the 4 P's of product, price, and promotion place. There are 4 P's in marketing. We will discuss 7 P's of service marketing. Services differ significantly from the products. When it comes to marketing a service, the marketing concept must be reviewed again. When we talk about the services, we are using some services. We visited hotel. So in our mind, first thing is how hotel looks. Is it good or not? Cleanliness, arrangements, how they serve food, that all are important. Services may vary from financial offering by bank, technology services from IT firm, to food and ambience provided by the restaurant, as we had already discussed. So we have to create that type of service provider so we can easily connect directly with the customer, and customer can think on positive way that the services is good. By services we can create a good image in customer, so he or she can give a best review about it in market. Service marketing resolve around 7 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence. The 3 are added. We had already discussed about 4 P's of marketing: people, process, and physical evidence. So with it, 7 P's of marketing we will discuss in details. Even a blog can consider a services where an author present informations or offer informative content to the reader. We had already idea about blog. Author can write blog regarding informations which he or she want to deliver with the readers. So that is also a part of services. We can see 7 P's of service marketing: product, price, place, promotion, process, physical evidence, and people. We'll discuss in detail. Product is anything that can fulfill a need or a desire as value in the marketplace. A marketer must make several product decisions. Product related decisions include considerations of a design, packaging, labeling, various variant, setting an appropriate price. Given that sales depends greatly on the product cost, as per the product cost it will decide. Our payment is not for the physical product but rather for the benefit it will generate. In simple terms, a product can be seen as a bundle of benefit that a marketer provides to the customer in exchange of money. On easy way, I try to share with you so you can easily write in your exam. Marketing mix second essential thing is price. To decide the appropriate price for that particular product is more important. The price represents the cost of a good or a services. Price represents the product's value in exchange. The price represents the cost of a goods or a services. It is the second most essential component of our marketing mix. It is tricky to set the product price. It is not easy. Elements such as the product demand, incurred cost, consumer payments capacity, competitor pricing for the similar product, government regulations. We have to understand that all things. Then and then we are able to decide that product price. Places. A place decisions means to take the decisions regarding the channels through which products reach to the customers. Products are manufactured for the sale to the customer. It's very important that they are offered to customers at the locations that allows for easy purchasing for the customer. This covers a network of individual and institutions covering distributions, wholesaler, retailers that make up the firm distributions network, that also known as a channel of distributions, how they can distribute that product. The organization must determine if it will sell directly to the retailer or go through the distributors or a wholesaler. How customer can easily get that product. Nowadays we just come to know while online shopping or instant delivery apps can easily deliver your product in a very short period, so we can easily buy product. Promotion. A product that is produced, priced appropriately based on consumer needs and sold at convenient location for a consumer may still fail in its marketing if consumers are not informed about its price, features, and availability. Promotion involves communications directed to the customer that supports a product, organizations, or related items. Decisions regarding the promotion. We just discuss about the instant app that delivered food or a grocery or a milk product in a very short period. So they can promote easily in market and they can direct communicate with the customer. So we have to create new things, new concept as per the customer needs and wants. People, services are inseparable from its provider. Service provider from the people of service marketing mix. Service marketing include all individuals from the one you see directly assisting you, such as cashier, receptionist, managers ensuring operations proceed in the background, and even the support personnel providing assistance in the various capacities. Overall impressions of the services often things are on how friendly, skilled, and helpful these individuals are. During services or a service provider, they have to deal with people. They have to understand that people what exactly they want as per their budget, as per their requirement. We have to provide that type of services to that particular person. So, with our helpful nature, we come to know about what other people want from us. So, overall impressions of the services connect with or creating a friendly atmosphere with the people. So that is more important because we have to deal with the people. So that is more important. Physical evidence, there is an environment or a place. Need for providing the services. The services are provided with many physical elements. The tangible elements that facilitate the performance of the services are known as the physical evidence. Physical evidence refers to the tangible items that you can see, touch, or observe while utilizing a services. When we are using that particular services, it is similar to the aspect in our area that provide a sense of what the services is like, how we feel. Is it is good for us or not? Physical evidence refers to the tangible items we can see, touch, or observe. And then we will decide how the services is for us. So in our marketing mix, process, the process elements involves the entire services offering. In service marketing, the end of product is not the principal goal or achievement for any consumer. The process is what it is. For example, the method by which a customer obtained the food product is significant in additions to the food product itself. If I want a particular product, I need that product. I'm hungry and I want specific food product. So in normal process, I have to go to the restaurant, I have to order, and I have to wait for that product. But with the help of the easy process, with the instant delivery at our doorstep, we can easily get our food or a particular product on an easy way. So that is more important to create that type of easy process. We had discussed about 7 P's of marketing in marketing mix. We will meet you again with a new exciting topic. Till then, thank you. स्वाध्यायः परमः